Hello everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to fix 100% disk usage in Windows 11 after installing an update. First, disable the SysMain service. Press the Windows key, type Services, and open the Services app. Scroll down until you find SysMain. Right-click it and choose Properties. Click the Stop button to stop the service immediately. Then change the startup type to Disabled, click Apply, and then OK. This prevents the service from starting again after you restart your PC. Next, disable the Windows Search service. In the same Services window, find Windows Search, right-click it, and select Properties. Click Stop. Change the startup type to Disabled. Then click Apply and OK. This can reduce constant disk activity caused by indexing files in the background. Finally, disable unnecessary startup programs. Right-click the Start button and open Task Manager. Select the Startup Apps tab using the gauge icon on the left. Review the list of applications that start with Windows. Select any programs you do not need to launch automatically and click Disable at the top. This reduces background activity during startup and can improve overall system performance. After completing these steps, restart your computer and check whether the disk usage has returned to normal. Thanks for watching.